Need to paint a room fast but still want it to look good? With the right approach, you can get it done quickly and avoid common mistakes. Start by choosing your color and supplies ahead of time. Having everything ready means no last-minute trips to the store. Pick a simple, neutral color if you want the room to feel fresh and bright without extra effort. Before you paint, prep the room. Move furniture to the center, cover floors, and wipe down the walls to remove dust. This step saves time later by helping the paint go on smoothly. Use quality tools. A good roller and angled brush help you cover more area faster and create cleaner edges. Paint the edges first, then roll the walls in sections while the paint is still wet to avoid streaks. If you want to finish even faster, stick to one coat when possible or use paint and primer in one. Let the room dry with good airflow so you can get back to using the space sooner. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-34-31243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.